French toast, scrambled eggs.
Thank you. Excuse me, but this has powdered sugar on it, and I ordered no sugar. I really can't have too much sugar in the morning.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look at that. You're absolutely right. I'll tell you what. Let me take this back and bring out a new piece. The French toast will be up in just a minute.
Okay, thank you.
French toast, no sugar. All right? Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
He's a nice guy.
It's good. It's good.
Oh, another dream about French toast. Man.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freaking machine. I'ma grab an ass if you want it.
Whoa, it's a bit close, no?
Best you ever had, give it to you, mine. Ooh.
大家好，今日我為大家介紹一個茶餐廳熱門嘅食物，就係港式西多士。咁我哋睇下啲材料先。呢度有2塊康包啦，咁我哋有啲花生醬啊。
Let's make it right now. Alright folks, here's what you'll be needing. Bread, some butter, chilled condensed milk, whole milk, good old PB, whey protein, pick your favorite flavor that goes well with French toast, and eggs. Darn it, I keep leaving out one ingredient in my filming. Start off by cutting all 4 sides of the bread crusts. You should probably use a chopping board, but I'm just a lazy sack of shit. Once you're done, you can show off your not so perfectly sliced bread on the camera and eat what's left of the crust. Next, crack 2 eggs and make sure everybody's watching you crack an egg with one hand, and then whisk gently. Add your milk and protein powder. I'm using vanilla flavor because I don't own 20 different flavors and your boy's on a budget. Give your bread some love and spread the peanut butter evenly on one side of each bread slice. After that, place the sides with peanut butter on top of each other in missionary position. Heat up a large pan to medium heat. Spread 2 to 3 teaspoons of butter onto the pan. Bathe and massage your babies in the batter before giving them the heat treatment. Flip them onto their backs, making sure you please all their sensitive spots and just admire in awe.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Once they're all spruced up, carry them over to your white plates, and then drizzle them with condensed milk or syrup for the icing on the cake. I like to add a bit of butter as well. And there you have it, protein French toast.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Nope.
Does it feel good?
Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, know that I appreciate you so much. You guys are awesome. If you guys are new to the channel, I would love if you would consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It helps the channel out a lot. Or don't. That's cool with me. Anyways, peace, and I'll see you in the next video.